To live is to move. But what's biryani got to do with it? Here's a tasty story for you to chew over. It is the mid 1800s in British India. Meet His Royal Highness Wajid Ali Shah, the Nawab of Awadh. Alas, he is no longer the Nawab. You see, the Brits have taken over his roti, kapada, makan and kingdom. With not much to be happy about, the Pav of Nawab is exiled to the city of joy, lock, stock and barrel. After a hectic week of unpacking, it is finally time for a grand meal in Kolkata, Awadhi style. But there is just one teeny tiny mutton chop sized problem. The royal chefs face a culinary crisis. There isn't enough juicy meat for their famous biryani. Fearing dire consequences, an Enthu cutlet comes up with a roly-poly solution that will meet the meat necessity: potatoes. The dish is made. The plates are laid. The formerly Royal Highness ate, and ate, and ate, and ate. And you know what? We are still eating what they started that day. That's the starch reality. This is the story of the famous Kolkata biryani. And all of it thanks to someone moving. Moving ignites possibilities. Happy moving.